My name is Kathy Fava. I had my bathroom redone by Shells Only. It was a total gut job, so I've basically had everything done from floor to ceiling. I told them I wanted it done as soon as they could, so I left my house, because it's my only bathroom, for a week, and they showed up every day at 8 o'clock right after I left for work, and they were gone like an hour after I got back from work, so didn't put me out at all any, and they did a wonderful job. Very happy with everything they've done. It didn't take a lot of time. Before I was getting this done, I didn't even want to think about it because I've had work done in my house before, and it's usually a disaster. But they were very professional. They were here when they said they were going to be. They left when they said they were going to leave, and it came out beautiful. My favorite part about my bathroom is the heated floors. They are wonderful. If anybody is thinking about getting the heated floors, oh my God, it's a beautiful thing. The name Shells Only, I was confused in the beginning when I had seen the trucks here. I didn't realize that they actually do more than, they do everything. And I would recommend them for anything. And the next time, like I said, if I need work done in my house, I will call Shells Only.